is the one of preparer in the full of residence of my daughter. He invites the enemies to come. Who said it's my dad? See that see what I have been put in as a little bit. And I speak to this night, but what you have here, I don't mind. No matter even isolation in the wilderness. No matter sometimes wilderness, but I fought the shepherds. Oh, Lord is my shepherd. The Lord is my shepherd. And as I'm born, no one see. Oh, Father, now, yeah, we do. I want to people. Why go stand in the wilderness? A shepherd, the devil so shepherd. What the planet was around. I tell you, shepherd here. Everybody in the Lucy. Hallelujah. What you have to say, Lusa, say Lusa. You go and say Lusa, say Lucy, say Lusa. Say Lusa. I don't know what say Lusa, what I say Lucy. You don't know what I say. You are going empty. No matter who get belle when you born. What you got in Gonyama when you born. What said to you, I'm must have been willing Gonyama. Don't make up Baba, not computer, not computer. You must have fully in bed. Don't make up my little bit, not don't push me to the call in the mood. All behind my strength. It is not my strength, but the strength of the shepherd is the one who conducts, the one who controls the power. When you use power, it depends on my enemy. I mean, and also to make a clue, to shine spam, but my shepherd will raise the power to face the enemy of the God. I put the he is my shepherd, but for me, even at this kind of a God we serve, is the shepherd. See, we are the shepherd of his flock, but he is shepherd behind us. I know some David. What David and I should my father there is my shepherd. Because no matter what I do, what I was going to get them sound. I don't have a call to say, but I was to just go for you. What David was sound, little loose. Don't get me some forget them getting as a pendulum. I could just say, but the shepherd is there. I could just say, but the shepherd is there. Even though I go, I walk. Every time in the veins of darkness. I walk. I walk around. I walk through. I put it on and we preach. That kind of a heat. But as the shepherd is here. I will say to sugar now me get David in my tent. Oh, Kalenwak. His house, Alumalus. No. And when I look at Alumalus, ever since Swing Soko Compose on Malus. Yeah, when he goes, you're not composed as a sweet. What's why you did? You're Professor Matthew. What's wrong with the moon? You're the Professor. But what's why? You are select Malus, independently. Which one this one? Which is a lawyer way? Everybody would know he was a shepherd of David before Jesus. We were shooting a members. He was there in the beginning. He shepherded David in the beginning. Now when David is a Zala, Ujes, little Penny, out of Inzala, it's not the son of David, but what I'm saying, Uches is a descendant of David, yindlu kaDavide. Lesikuyafanele ukuthi ukhalo lwakhe lwakhipha uDavide. Ngamanye amazwi uDavide uthathe iresemblance kayise. Ngamanye amazwi ufike ushuthi lo ozalwa uDavide. uDavide before amzala, lo amzalayo waqale yena wena uyise. Uzala awamelusi. Yazi uzala ithi lento owelusa uDavide. Uzala uDavide engumalusi. Matthew chapter number 6 verse 9. Uthi ngingumalusi omuhle. Kusho ukuthi Yesu uthi ngingumalusi omuhle. Kusho ukuthi he is a shepherd. It's not the first time to be a shepherd. I shepherded my father before I was born by him. I was there. Angumalusi omuhle kuyi baba. Wamzala sengumalusi.
Hallelujah.
Anizwa le nto kaDavide ngiyambona. Theology. Peluthi Jesu ngumalusi omuhle. Umalusi omuhle kusho ukuthi I'm a shepherd above all the shepherds. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi uthi uJohane yamfakazela uJohane uthi I was there in the beginning. Kusho ukuthi the one who was in the beginning wazala waba umuntu wazala waphila phakathi kwethu. Uma isethi umalusi omuhle akaqamba mama because before even he was born zonke izinto ezadalwa ngaye. So uma idalwe ngaye wa decide ukwehla yena as a shepherd.
Hallelujah.
Manje before ehle uthi Isaiah madoda the child is born. In fact this prophet Isaiah when Isaiah just number 6 uthi the child is born. Kufuze ngempela ngakugcina lapha the child is born because all the children are born. So ngesazalo but this one wazala wathi kuyo lezelwe ingane sasesiphiwa indoda ayizalwanga saphiwa into esayizalelwa ingane base kuthi out of ingane waphuma indoda. Amanye amazwi lephumile iyona le eyikhona in the beginning. Uzathi nje manje ngisho Herod angawuthwala umthwalo ukuba umbusi wezwe. Alright. But umbuso wezwe awukho emahlombe kaHerod. Awukho futhi emhlombe kaNebukadnezar. Awukho emhlombe wonke umbuso, wonke umuntu obusayo ubusa isizwe sakhe. Akasibusa esinye isizwe. Akalibusa iGibhithe, akalibusa Israyeli, akalibusa iPalestine, ubusa isigebe sakhe ngoba amahlombe akhe akwazi ukuthola iGibhithe, athola iJerusalem, athola izinto, athola izinto. But the one that is born, the child that is born, and the son that is given, the whole government. Ufike weluswe uzuthi wena the Lord is my shepherd. Ubese uzala umalusi omuhle. Inqondo wazona asekhona uDavide. Wayezombuza ukuthi awumeke kancane ke mfana. Wome mzukulu. Wena uchaza ukuthi uJohane uthi wena njengoba umalusi omuhle. Wawukhona in the beginning. Umhlaba konke kwavela ngawe. So manje mina kusho ukuthi wena lo wangelusa uDavide kufuze ukuthi waze wambona umalusi ayengamboni umelusi. Waze wambona isizukulwane sakhe umelusi kube kwashesha nje yonke into ngabe sewukhokha edondolozela wambona umalusi owamelusa. Awukhona wazana angazi ukuthi mina ikhona kanjani lento yokuthi noma ungayi enyangeni ihlekiswa inyanga ifika ithi wena okwaba isibongo ngilithatha ikhwama zakho mangifike nalo umuhambo lokho angazi ibongo isibongo sami ayikho uzongitshela ngibona abantu abawubuthi bakabathathu laba abanye benomona mhlawumbe esiwakhona kwashaya khona ukuthi ubone ukuthi abathathu kodwa ukuthi banomona ukabamanga ngoba yibo nabo kuyaphila yibo bakwenze waziwa nje obhekmotre esengazi ukuthi yini le eyenza umuntu okungayena wakithi akwazi ukubona into zakithi mina ngingakwazi ukuyibona awengimi nisangomeni ngoba uma ubaba omkhulu kusho ukuthi siyayikholwa lento yamadlozi uma ubaba omkhulu kunento afuna ukuthi ayenze ekhaya akeze kimathi indodana ufuna ukwenza u1 no2 no3 mhlambe ngakholwa kodwa naye maqala ashayisa indodana izazi ngemoto eshayisa cishe yazo ngathi ngiyobhula kwathiwa baphansi kusukela ngalelo langa baphansi angisafuni baphinde basondele bayashaya kanti balusi umalusi bakuluse ungamalusi akukhumbuli Davide ethandaza akukho nasithi khona David's prayer asitholi esawumalusi kodwa sibone dwemu libhele eluswa engakahayi kodwa nikhona nibazalayo angikhathali mina noma ungenza ini mhlawumbe thina singabiza ngesiko esithize sithi uyisigebengu sithi uyisihlebe sithi into engahloniphi kodwa uJehova vela kwelusi Bengathi namhlanje sengathi each and every one of you ungasukuma ume ngenyawo hayi manje ungasukuma ume uthi uNkulunkulu angazi ukuthi yini ombekele yona ngoba yazi bazalwane kukhona abantu abahle beautiful people